Okay, going ahead. Now see here, there is a dipole. There is a dipole. There's a dipole. I have to bring a high chair for you now.
I said I will taller than इसको चाहिए
Let me see. This is one of the important. I need to finish it off. Okay. Now see here. I want to find out the electric potential at point due to the dipole. So the distance from here to here is R1, and the distance from here to here is R2. Okay, and the distance from here to here is R. Now this is theta, and this angle is remaining angle is 180 minus theta. Is that clear? See, half of the what is semicircle? What is the semicircle angle? Arham. What is a semicircle angle?
180.
180 degree. Very good. 180 degree. So if this is theta, the remaining will be 180 minus theta. Okay. This is theta, the other will be 180 minus theta. And this is R. Okay. Now we are starting with the formula. Half of that is the half of that value is how much? Half of the value is A. Again, half of the value is A. Here. So now electric potential formula is what? 1 by for the first one, due to the first charge, V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into I'll take addition, okay, because of the two charges, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R again. Okay, these are the two. So when I take common here, it will become Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Here R1 and here R2. Sorry. So it will become 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once again, there is a dipole whose dipole means two equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance is said to be a dipole. What is the dipole moment? P is equal to 2Q into A. Now, plus
Q. What is the definition for that? Dipole moment.
Dipole moment is product of charge and the distance between. Product of charge and the distance between.
Okay.
Is dipole moment. Okay, electric dipole. The formula is here. P is equal to 2Q.
Sir, one more doubt. What is that thing called when the dipoles align in the direction of the magnetic field? Something, not this chapter.
Electric field and charges.
In the direction of magnetic field, I'm saying. How did it come in? Something, it was when the dipoles align in the direction of the magnetic field, then it is known as
dipoles aligning
align in the direction of the magnetic field.
That comes in dielectrics.
Yeah,
like what is susceptibility bolte hai usko.
Susceptibility.
That is a different thing. That I'll come.
That's what I wanted to know. What is the word?
Now at point P, I want to find out the electric potential at point P due to these two that is dipole. The distance between the dipole is 2A, and from here to here it is R1. From the distance from here to here is R2, and from the center to point P is R. If this is theta, this will become 180 minus theta. The formula is what? 1 by V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R1 minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R2. Take Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 common, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. The problem with these triangles is it a right angle triangle? Is this a right angle triangle? Anyone?
Which one?
Is
no, sir.
Triangles, right angle triangles? No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
This explanation is not given in the book. That's a problem. Teachers, what they do is they just go with the derivation. Actual thing is here. The crux of this derivation is here. Now, whenever we don't have a right angle triangle, we have to go with properties of triangles formula. We have to go with properties of triangle formula. What are the properties of triangle formula? Suppose we have a triangle like this. It's not a right angle triangle. A, B, and C. A small a hai, a small b hai, small c. Capital ABCs are the angles. Small ABCs are the sides. Capital ABCs are angles. Small ABCs are sides. Okay. Now I want to if suppose two sides and one angle is given, then we can find out the third side. B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos A cos B. Is that clear? The formula is once again see here. If you have two sides and one angle, you can find out the third side. What is the formula? B square is equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. Is that clear? Like that we can find out for any side. It is like A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Whatever the side is shown here, it is here. Now C square is equal to, we can write A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. So now, look at this point. I have two sides, one angle. I have two sides and one angle. Okay, or I have these two sides.
Three sides.
No, sorry. I have R, A. I want to find out the value of R1.
Pythagoras theorem.
I cannot use Pythagoras. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Whenever we don't have right angle triangle, you cannot either use trigonometric formulas, you cannot even use Pythagoras formulas also. Got it? So what he did now, R1 square, if I want to find out R1 square is equal to R square plus A square minus 2RA cos theta. Got it now? I applied this formula.
Yes, sir.
This is not explained in the textbook. Teachers, what they're
So
doing.
can you explain
Yes,
it once
sir.
again?
So when we have two sides and one angle, then we have two sides A and R, then we want to find out R1. R1 is equal to what? R square plus A square minus 2AR cos theta. Similarly, R2 square is equal to what? R square plus A square minus 2AR cos, the remaining angle is what? 180 minus theta. Is it not? Here, for this. Angle is how much? 180 degrees. Is it not? 180 minus theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will write R2 square.
Sir, can you explain it once again?
Now here, we are applying this formula here for this triangle and for this triangle. R1 square is equal to R square plus A square minus 2AR cos theta. Similarly, R2 square is equal to what? R square plus A square minus 2AR cos 180 minus theta. Got it? Is it clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now what I am doing, what is 180 minus theta, anyone? 180 minus theta. Plus cos theta, no? Minus cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Minus of minus plus.
Plus.
Okay. Now, where exactly I am going now? I want to find out what is R1, what is 1 by R1, what is 1 by R2. I have only R square and R square now with me. Okay. I have only R squares with me. Now what I am going to do now? I will take R1 now. See. R1 is equal to what? R1 square is equal to, I am taking R square common from the first equation. From 1. I am taking R square common here. So it will become what? 1 plus A square by R square minus 2A cos theta divided by R. Understood now? Is it clear? I am taking R square common out of it. Where R is much greater than A. A is in Armstrongs or nanometers. R is in centimeters or meters. Got it? I got the first formula. Now similarly, so R1 square, what I am going to do now? It is equal to, because R is much greater than A, I am not going to take this into consideration. So what will happen now? R1 square is equal to R square into 1 minus 2A cos theta divided by R. Why I haven't taken like that? I will take it. See, this is in nanometers and this is in centimeters. When you square any number, like example, when I'm squaring 0.1 whole square divided by 0.000001. So the value will get reduced, right? It will be very, very small value, is it not? Are you understanding? Sorry. This should be 0.001 square, and this will be only 0.1 square. So the value will be very, very less. Is it not? It will become 1 by 1000 or 1 by 10,000. So that is the reason we are ignoring that value. A square by R square. And we have taken only this. Is this clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now what I have done is here R1 square is equal to. Now R1 square is equal to what? Okay. So I have to, this is square I have taken common. I got that 1 minus 2A. Okay. Now I want to remove this square on this one. So this will become what? R1 square is equal to R into R1 square and remaining. So that will become 1 minus 2A cos theta divided by R. Now again I am going to apply power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2. Now I am taking this as 1 by R. 1 by R1 is equal to what? 1 by R into whole thing. That is 1 minus 2A cos theta divided by R whole to the power of 1 by 2. So that will become 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R into 1 minus 2A cos theta divided by R whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. Is that clear? Whole to the power of 1 by 2. Can I do like this? Why I am trying like that? Because I have to come here. I have to approach 1 by R1 now. I started with R square, I went with R, then I went with 1 by R now. Are you understanding all of you this one, this step?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what I have done is 1 by R1, I am applying binomial expansion now. Binomial expansion again. This is also missing in the textbook. The binomial expansion. According to binomial expansion, we have 1 by R is equal to 1 by R into 1 minus 1 of minus becomes plus cos theta divided by 2R. Okay, this and this will go away. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by R1 value will
Yes,
become
Yes, sir.
plus A cos theta by R. Copy that, then I will erase this. Yes. Did you understand this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Shall I go ahead then? Shall I go ahead then?
Yes, sir.
Ismail,
Yes, sir.
Moksha. Ismail, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Nine, okay, now what is left now? See here. We are left again. Similarly, we get. I'm not going to solve for 1 by R2. The value is how much? 1 by R into 1 minus A cos theta divided by R. 1 minus A cos. So the formula is what? V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by R1. 1 by R1 value is 1 by R into 1 plus A cos theta divided by R minus 1 by R into 1 minus A cos theta divided by R. This is the formula. So V is equal to what? Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by R plus A cos theta divided by R square minus 1 by R plus A cos theta divided by R square. So what will happen? This and this will go away. These two will go away. So we are left with what? We are left with V is equal to what? 2A Q cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon 0. So what is the formula? This total value will become P. The formula is P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R. So here what happens here? This is the potential now. Is that clear? The final answer is P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square. Once again, see, using this one, I am writing similarly, but here it is plus, here it is minus. That's the difference. Then add both of them. Take just simplify that one. We are left with 2QA cos theta. So 2QA is nothing but P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 square. This is the final formula.
Also, वो क्या है? LL.
Similarly. LL by I like similarly better. Mathematics very like that.
Math students don't understand. Others,
Yeah,
English, yeah,
तू
obviously.
लिख ले पहले. तू लिख ले कुछ.
तो कार्य कब से फॉर्मूला लिख के पाएंगे?
Did you write derivation? Yeah, right. Come finish it. Leave him. Later on, I will see what to do.
That's the
Call his
question.
mom or.
Yeah, I will call his dad.
Hey, छोड़ना.
जल्दी ले रहा है.
एक ही सारा टर्म.
Sorry.
सब हम सब कबाब में हड्डी हैं. सब कबाब में हड्डी हैं.
ये बेकार है. पहले समझ नहीं आया था. जब समझ आया तो शर्म आ गया.
So we have three cases again here. Theta is equal to, can you try this question? Theta is equal to 0 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. So cos 0 is how much, madam? Cos 0 value? 1. Very good. Cos 90 कितना है? Aaron. Cos 90.
Cos 90, think no.
0.
One idea will give you.
That is the situation.
अबे देखना ग्राफ cos, okay.
भाई
Cos
सिंपल है.
that
अगर
is
0 1 है, cos 0 1 है तो cos 90 0 होगा.
It's exactly opposite, no?
No, I think by graph. I think the
You need to remember the graph directly. You can.
इतना सिंपल तो है.
Not simple. No.
Huh?
And write all the three formulas for this also. For theta 0, it will become P by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. For theta 90 degrees,
ये
it will
डेरिवेशन
become
कितने मार्क्स का है?
3 mark का है.
It's in what?
इतनी मेहनत सिर्फ 3 मार्क.
There is no place for honesty and that in this world. Actually,
Okay.